Hello guys, welcome to the second video tutorial on Python for complete beginner. Today in this video, we'll check out what do you mean by comments in Python and how to write the comments in Python. Okay, so what is basically a comments? So comments are basically a ignorable part of your code. It's basically ignored by the Python interpreter whenever you're running the program. This helps you and other understand what does a code means. Say for example, if you have written any code, okay, and you haven't written any comments for that particular code, and in the near future down the line, say for the 6 month and after 1 year, you wanted to execute that code once again if there is some bugs in that specific line of code. Now if you haven't written any kind of comments, it will make you difficult and the other people difficult in order to understand what is the basically a logic behind that specific line of code. But your time gets saved if you have written a specific comments whenever you are writing that code. Okay, this makes you understand and as well as the other people understand whenever you're opening that code, say for example after 1 year or 2 year down the line. Okay, so basically in Python we have two different kind of comments. The first comment is a single line comment. To implement this comment, you just have to use the hash symbol. Okay, and Python will ignore it whenever you're running the program. So this is one of the example of single line comment. And what is a multiple line comment? The second type of the comment is a multi-line comment. So while implementing the multi-line comment, you have to use a triple quote. Okay, it can be a single quote, it can be a double quote. Okay, so whatever written between this triple quote is been ignored by the Python interpreter and helps you to create a multi-line comment. Okay, this is often used for the documentation purpose. Okay, so for example, if you are wanted to explain any function or you wanted to explain any module, you can use a multi-line comment on the other hand instead of using the single line comment. So this is a few example of multi-line comments. Okay, now we'll check out this by implementing it in our Python code. Let's do it. So this is your program that helps you to print the hello world program on your console output. Say for example, if I am running this program by pressing Ctrl R, it will print hello world. Now I will be implementing a single line comment. You can just write the hash symbol. So this is comment. Okay, so I will write single line over here. So this is single line comment. And say for example, if you wanted to write down the multiple line by using this single line comment, then you have to use the hash symbol again and again. This is second line. Say for example, this is third line. Okay, so it became tedious process whenever you have to write the multiple line, you have to use the hash symbol again and again. So to overcome this, we have the second type of comment, that is multi-line comment. You just have to use a triple quote, either it can be a double quote. So this is multi-line comments using this double quote. Okay, the other way of implementing a multi-line comment is by using single quote triple time. So this is again a multi-line comment using single quote. Okay, you can write any number of line over here. This is second line from multi-line comment and second line from multi-line comment again. Now if I press Ctrl R in order to run this program, see only the same output, that is hello world, and no other text has been printed because everything is comment in this particular line of program. So that's it for today's tutorial for comments, and we'll check out the next tutorial. But don't forget to like, subscribe and click that notification bell. Thank you.